everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Web Prodigy. I hope you are doing well. Today is the 5th tutorial of JavaScript. If you haven't watched our previous tutorials, don't worry, just visit our channel and watch the previous tutorials. In the previous tutorials, we have learned some basics of JavaScript. In today's video, we will learn control statements. Control statements are an essential part of programming that allow you to make decisions and control the flow of your code. Without wasting any time, let's start today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explore the key control statements in JavaScript. Number 1, if statement. Number 2, else if statement. And number 3, switch statements. So let's discuss these statements one by one. Number 1, if statement. The if statement is one of the most basic control structures in JavaScript. It allows you to execute a block of code only if a specified condition is true. Now I'm going to explain you with the help of example. So here is an example of if statement. As you can see my screen, here is the JavaScript code that accomplishes this task. We start by defining a variable age with the value 18. Then we use an if statement to check if age is greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, the code inside the first block will be executed with logs you are an adult. Otherwise, if the condition is false, the code inside the else block will run logging you are not an adult. The result is you are an adult because the age is indeed greater than or equal to 18. This is the simple example of how you can use if statements in JavaScript for decision making. Remember, you can use if statements to add logic and interactivity to your web applications. Let's move towards the second statement. This is else if statement. You can use the else if statement to test multiple conditions in sequence. This is particularly useful when you have multiple cases to consider. Just for your better understanding, I'm gonna explain it with the help of example. Just look at my screen. In this example, we will use else if statement to create a simple grading system in JavaScript. Based on student score, we will determine their grade. Here is the JavaScript code that implements this grading system. We start by defining a variable score with the value 75. Then we use an if statement followed by else if conditions to check the score against different grade threshold. If a condition is met, the corresponding message is logged. If none of the conditions are met, the code in the else block runs. The result is you got a C because the score falls within the range of 70 to 79. That's how you can use the else if statement to create a grading system or handle multiple conditions in JavaScript. It's a valuable tool for adding complexity or precision to your code. Let's discuss the third statement. This is switch statement. The switch statement is used to evaluate multiple conditions based on the variable's value. It provides an elegant way to handle multiple cases. Just for your better understanding, I'm going to explain it with the help of example. Just look at my screen. In this example, we will use a switch statement in JavaScript to determine the type of day based on a provided day of the week. Here is the JavaScript code that implements this day of the week check. We start by defining a variable day with the value Monday. Then we use a switch statement to evaluate the value of the day. Depending on the value, the code will execute different cases. If none of the cases match the code, the default block runs. The result is, it's the start of the week because the day is Monday and it matches the first case. Control systems are fundamental in JavaScript, enabling you to create dynamic and interactive programs. Understanding how to use them effectively is the key to becoming a proficient JavaScript developer. You need to practice these concepts to enhance your programming skills and create more sophisticated applications. In our next video, we will dive deeper into the world of JavaScript as we explore loops. Loops are incredibly powerful and versatile. It allows you to perform repetitive tasks with ease. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.